All right, everybody, we're gonna be talking about the MTC awareness stages. There's 5 of them. There's gonna be white, yellow, orange, red, and brown. Now, these stages are like mindsets that you get into. Okay, we got an intersection right here. This is gonna be orange stage. And then we're gonna be going back into yellow stage. I know, I'm gonna talk about that. These are the stages that get you into that mindset. I love colors. It makes it to where things are easy, color-coded. You know, stop signs are red, right? We have caution signs that are orange or yellow, depending where you're at. Street signs are green. It helps you find those things that are out there before you even see the words. We're gonna be talking about white stage right now. In white stage, what that is that you're completely zoned out. What you wanna be is in yellow stage where you're zoned in. You're prepped and ready, you're looking for things. You see road surface hazards, you're scanning the road, but at the same time, you're relaxing. You either have music, whatever. White stage, a typical version of white stage is that you are sitting on the couch watching TV, oblivious to everything around you. You're walking on the sidewalk, you're staring at your phone. You have no idea what's going around you, and you fall into the fountain or you run into somebody. That's what white stage is. Now, when you're riding a motorcycle, white stage, you don't want to be in white stage when you're on a motorcycle because you're just going to run into things. Now, what happens when you're looking at your phone, one second, we're at orange stage because we're going to the intersection, don't want to get hit by anybody. We're getting back into yellow stage right now. Decent space cushion. What's happening with white stage is all of a sudden you look up and you're about to run into somebody when you're looking at your phone. You panic. You're like, oh, that's what brown stage is, when you have that panic moment. So you're maybe playing with your phone, all of a sudden you look up, you see a car, oh no, and you slam the brakes and you dump the bike. That's brown stage. We do not want to do that. So these are the 2 stages out of the 5 that you do not want to be a part of, you don't want to be doing. You want to stay zoned in. The best way you could do that, well, I'll talk to you about that when we talk about yellow stage.